Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be talking about the 90 FPS PUBG gameplay test in the Poco X3 device. So this is another most requested comment in my so many videos. So many videos I have uploaded already on the PUBG gameplay in terms of the battery draining and charging the Poco X3 device while playing the PUBG game as well. So many of the comments were only related to this 90 FPS PUBG gameplay support. Is it capable of playing the 90 FPS at the moment or not? So right now in this video I'll be choosing few of the GFX tool. So in this video I'll be demonstrating whether you can actually play with a 90 FPS in this phone or not. So first thing is that let me show you the model what I'm using. It is a Poco X3 phone, and let's go to the display here. As you can see, I have turned on the 120Hz refresh rate. Here you can see here. So I have downloaded so many GFX tool applications, and first let me talk about one of the GFX tool application which I'll be demonstrating right now. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me friends regularly, and there is a playlist available in the links in description for the Poco X3 device. In case if you are planning to buy the phone, you need to know so many things about this device regarding the haptic feedback, LED notification light, speaker, dual speakers in the Poco X3. So all of the videos I have already uploaded in my channel, so make sure to follow me if you want to know more details. So it is the first GFX tool which I'll be using as a test right now. So let me try to open the GFX tool and show you what are settings I am using at the moment. As you can see, resolution I set to default and graphics smooth. So the smooth and extreme, you can get the 60 FPS with the smooth and extreme settings, but in the FPS there's an option of 90 FPS as you can see here. So this is the GFX tool which I'll be testing right now. So let's see whether it's capable of supporting 90 FPS or not right now. So 90 FPS test I already did in the Realme X2 Pro phone. As you can see, Realme X2 Pro has the 90 Hz refresh rate, and there straight away you got the option of 90 Hz 90 FPS in the options. So similarly like this, the option should be displaying in the Poco X3 as well. So after enabling all this kind of options, so right now you can see here friends, I did enable all the options what are necessary for the 90 FPS. So now let me try to start the game. So let's see friends whether the option will be enabled or not by using this kind of GFX tool application. So if this GFX tool doesn't work, I'll try to use another GFX tool application. So at the moment, this Poco X3 is a new smartphone. So sometimes it's not supported, sometimes it's supported. So let's see whether this application will be supported in the Poco X3 mobile phone or not. So if it's not supported, I'll try to do a video as well later on when it's get actually supported in this mobile phone. So let's see. Go to the settings and graphics. As you can see friends, so you cannot see any extreme options as well. The only thing which I noticed multiple times is that let me get back to the GFX tool. If you select the 90 FPS, so you won't even get smooth and extreme options only. So there is a one drawback which is there using this GFX tool or any other GFX tool at the moment in the Poco X3 device. So now let me try to select the 60 FPS and start selecting the global. So as you can see here friends, as soon as I select the 60 FPS as an option in the GFX tool, you will get back this smooth and extreme settings. So if you choose the 90 FPS, you won't even get this kind of option extreme only. So that is a one disadvantage using this GFX tool application. So now let me try to close the PUBG game completely and close everything from the background. So next there is another GFX tool application which I'll be demonstrating right now. So let me try to show you in the Play Store so you can get a clear idea which icon it is, and you can try by yourself. It is the application which is a GFX tool as you can clearly see. So in this app there is a option of 90 FPS as well. As you can see, 90 FPS is actually there. So let me try to select the 90 FPS and select the global and everything. Resolution and graphics and everything is set. As you can see friends clearly. So everything is set to the extreme and smooth as well. So let me try to run the game right now. Start the game. So let's see whether this GFX tool actually works in the Poco X3 or not. So not only these two, even I tried so many other GFX tool applications, but few of them didn't work, and that's why I thought of making a video right now. So just to make you clear that a few of the GFX tool doesn't work in the Poco X3 device. So if there is any other solution, if you find any other ways to run, so do let me know in the comments below. I'll try to make a video on that one, so which will be very helpful for so many other users as well. As you can see. So clearly in the settings, in the graphics, you can see friends. So it doesn't matter what GFX tool you use. So if you select the 90 FPS here in the Poco X3 device, so it will go back to the normal smooth and ultra. So this is a problem happening here in this phone in the Poco X3 device. So that's it for this video, friends. Finally, the conclusion is that at the moment I did not find any other GFX tool application which actually supports the 90 fps in the Poco X3 device. So if I find any other GFX tool, as soon as I find, I'll try to make a video on the same day only. So make sure to subscribe for my channel and stay tuned every day. I'll try to post so many videos related to the Poco X3 so very soon. So other videos, make sure to check the links in description for the playlist. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.